This is the third iteration usability testing. Now let's begin.
I'm on the home page now, and here is some different section of about the website. And here is some information about how to learn through our frameworks. Obviously, some resource for me to resolve my problems. And turn the page of jobs. There are some plots and statistics about the job market, and according to different occupation. Yes. And here's a finder for the job vacancy in Victoria. Good. The page of service. Protection and destruction. Is a pay rate for different occupation. Here is some different value here. Okay. So this slide, the calculator is useful.
So you go ahead Y section.
Here's a quiz to compare the answers. And try the quiz. So go to the phone. Then Quiz does contain a lot of information. An interactive plot here. Some latest news about some program.
Okay, after browsing the website, anything you want to share about your experience?
Yes, there are a lot of plots in the website, and it's more are helpful for the user to learn about the facts in the job market, and also some related information and news and articles are useful. I think those are useful. But on which part is this page? This one. Maybe the graph is too huge.
Okay.
And the plot is not contains a lot of information.
And when you do the legal advice, the quiz in legal advice session, do you think it's helpful for your personal situation?
Yes, it could be, because I think there are a lot of questions that is doing the research to myself and help me to learn more about myself. And also there are the criteria for me to know how I balance my job and the life.
And okay, and what do you think about the UI design of the website? Is it easy to use or very hard for you to find the information in the website?
Okay, I think it's not hard for me, because the section design and the layer is clear, but just like this short sentence is sometimes not very easy to understand and to comprehend.
And I think this is the end of our usability testing, and thank you.
No worries.